In this video, we're going to be looking at writing a recursive rule given a sequence. And so here I have a sequence -30, -16, -2, and then 12. First I have to determine whether it's arithmetic or geometric because that's going to change which recursive rule I use. So for arithmetic, it's going to be an is equal to an minus 1 plus d. For geometric, it'll be an is equal to r an minus 1. And both of these are going to start with what a1 is equal to. So looking at this first one, I like to always start with to see whether I'm adding or subtracting the same thing each time. So to get from -13 to -16, I need to add 14. -16 to -2, I add 14, and then add 14. And so I see here that I have a common difference of 14. And so that means I'm going to be using my arithmetic recursive rule here. So my first step is always to state what my first term is. And so I see that my first term here is -30. So I'm going to write a1 is equal to -30. And then I'm going to fill in my arithmetic sequence over here. And that is an is equal to an minus 1 plus d. And my d here, my common difference was 14. And so this would be my recursive rule. Let's try another one. So here I have 500 to 100 to 20 to 4. Since I'm going from very big to very small, that usually clues me in that this is going to be a geometric. So to find that ratio, I'm just going to take these last two numbers and divide them. So I'm going to have 4 over 20, which simplifies to being 1/5. So I am multiplying by 1/5 each time. And so I want to use this second one here. My first step is always to state what my first term is, which here is 500. Then my recursive rule will be an is equal to r, which we found to be 1/5, an minus 1. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and try to do number 3. So the answer that you should have gotten here was a1 equals -4, and then an is equal to -2 times an minus 1.